Three vital aspects of an effective time management mindset. Ariana Huffington takes time to pause every day. Steve Jobs eliminated time consuming decisions by wearing the same outfit every day. Jack Groetzinger gamifies his to do list. Everyone has their own unique approach to managing their time. There's no right or wrong way, but there are several vital aspects of developing an effective time management mindset. Here are three of them. 1. Figure out your priorities. When you're caught between one task and another, you're faced with a decision. Which task do I work on first? To avoid this, decide your priorities ahead of time and work accordingly. To meet deadlines without unnecessary stress and anxiety, you need to have a prioritization system, regardless of the way you work. 2. Quality over quantity. This golden rule is plastered on the walls of every classroom, so it's always a shock that people forget to follow it. We get caught up in our daily responsibilities. Sometimes they feel so endless that quantity seems like the only option. If you're plowing through your work but lack objectivism and passion, you may have caved and picked quantity over quality. Long term, this is detrimental to your work ethic and time management skills. Learn how to manage your time for rewarding work that adds value to your life. Once you nail that down, you can begin to take on more tasks. 3. Review your work. Of course, you always double-check and triple-check your work before submitting it to someone for approval. Why not do the same for your workflow? Set up a time once or twice a month to go through your assignments and figure out if you're operating efficiently. Ask yourself some of these questions. Do I really need to be doing this task? Is there any way I can automate this task? Can I delegate this task to someone else? Can I do this task less often? Going through these questions doesn't mean you're taking the easy way out. In fact, it's a foolproof approach to perfecting your work habits, which will make you a more efficient worker. It may sound like these tips will take no time at all, but you may be surprised. Many people are inclined to work that they don't stop and find new ways to innovate their approach. Set aside a few hours to figure out how you're incorporating these tactics into your work. It'll save you tons of time in the future.